What's up guys, this is Clyde here. I just finished installed my high output alternator, and this is the old one. This is my old alternator that I took out. It's a Delco remanufactured 140 amp alternator. Took the old one out. This is the old one. And there's the high output alternator, 250 amp high output alternator that I installed. It's from Maniac Electric Motors in Dallas, Texas. Yep. Put the stock battery back in because SoundQuest battery didn't have enough cranking power to turn over my engine. So everything back in there. Zero gauge ground. Another ground there. Zero gauge power to the alternator. 150 amp fuse. 150 amp fuse at 4 gauge wire going to my amp. Pretty simple. You got one bolt here, one bolt there, another bolt there. Right on the bottom of the tensioner there's another bolt. Take out that bracket, take out that bolt, the bolt under the oil pack. Take out that bracket and release the tensioner, the alternator comes out. Then all my junk back in here, spare tire, tools and all that stuff. But I moved the box forward, toward the back of the trunk. Yep. 14.37 volts on the SL400. Stereo audio US6, 45 kV.1. Yep. Remounted it there, and at the other point there. Zero gauge wire going to the battery with the fuse holder, 150 amp fuse holder going there. Yeah. Mounted it right there, mounted it right here. It's the battery box. It's a Noco battery box. Got the Shuriken Sk-Bt75 in here. Power going in there with a fuse holder, 150 amp fuse holder right there. Going to there. The ground is on the bottom in the back here, right to the floor of the trunk. I grounded it and going right into the box. Coming up here, going in there, the ground. And from this going to the SL, and then from the SLs going to the other battery with the fuse holder coming in. Oh, there you have it. Mounted this auxiliary battery, Shuriken Sk-Bt75. Ran the wires, new wires here, power wires with the 150 amp A&L fuse and fuse holder. Ground going to the bottom of the trunk. Move the box back 7 inches away from the trunk. Mounted it down there. Mounted it down there in the corner. Mounted it there. And ran new wires. Yep. And installed the high output 250 amp high output alternator there. Same battery, Napa battery, all that. Dual grounds. That. Going to there. There you have it, guys. New alternator, 250 amp alternator, and installed the auxiliary battery with the battery box in the trunk with the power wire and fuse holder and the A&L fuse, and move the box toward the back and remounted it. Okay guys, that's my update for today, the 9th of November, Saturday 2013. See you later guys.